Okay, Konosuba, an explosion on this wonderful world, episode 2. The Magic Academy, the Magic Academy's taboo. Huh. So I wonder if that's explosion magic or obviously something else. And I don't know. Well, they just treated it as joke magic. So I still don't know what's the whole deal with that. Why everyone thinks like that. I don't know. Like they're stopping people from pursuing it or anyway, whatever. First episode was great. I absolutely loved it. What else can you expect from Konosuba? And a megumin spin-off, really interesting. Probably the best character they could have chosen, like I said, you know, especially like backstory-wise and stuff like that. The others wouldn't really make any sense. And this will have like a lot more depth to it, and you know, it's just a wider variety of things we can explore. With Megumin's past, the Academy, the Crimson Demons, yada 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 yada. We also already saw how interesting it was at the start. The lady she met, that other lady who bought the craftsmanship stuff from her parents is obviously really important as well. But anyway, I'm rambling. We're all here for our favorite Chunibyo. We all love Megumin, we love Konosuba. Let's watch episode 2. And I think like from the brief preview I saw this is where they find Chomosuke? But anyway, let's just, instead of just speculating, let's watch and see. Hey, hey. Dude, your stall is like in the middle of nowhere. Then why are you hanging out with her? Oh, she picked it out for her. Okay. What the? Sure, we know Megumin. Oh, they're already at it, yeah. Another duel. The fingers. Oh my gosh. This is not gonna end pretty. The easy way for her to win, because she knows you wouldn't do it. That face. Yep, as expected. And that's sort of mean, actually. And she just spilled that to the entire class. Oh no. Yeah, but Megumin literally looked like a bully and whatnot, actually, there. They was taking the lunch and everything. But then again, like Megumin said, that's like life or death for her back then, with how poor they were and whatnot. Oh, Komeko. Kawaii. Beat up the newspaper guy. Sure. It's Union's lunch. Oh, she's getting it for Komeko. Shame. I mean, that's nice and all. She's taking it from Union, but I mean, the reason why is actually adorable, but I feel sorry for Union. Unless she's just giving it to her anyway. She's so adorable. Oh? It's Chomosuke. She's planning on eating it, you can't eat a kitty. Yeah, there you go. Okay. I also want to know what's the deal with Chomosuke. It's obviously a special sort of cat. After I bit it, is that the marks on its head there? Okay. Yeah, look at the little marks on his head. Shame. No, she's lying. Relinquish this furball to me. You bring it to school. Oh no. Familiar. Innocent kitty act. Kunifura and the Donko. They're all gonna give her the lunch. Oh? Doesn't like Union? Look at Arue. Some traits, Komeko. Denied. Nice. Let's put a little Chunibyo story about it. She's gonna convince him, we know it. Oh god. This will be good, huh? She didn't even expect him to say yes. Tomb of the Dark God. Okay. Augmentation surge. What? Augmentation surge. Raise your levels quickly. Oh. He wants to go with megumin. What is megumin and arue? There goes arue. As expected. Oh. Oh. Megumin? How are we feeling about this? Well, that's what you get for acting like that. No, it's Netorare-janai! Netorare-janai! Oh my god. Oh my word. Those are huge! Look at the size comparison to the teacher. They're supposed to bring weapons. You can barely lift it. Oh, never mind, okay. Really? You don't even need to chant. Okay. Still pretty cool. No, it's wood. They're hollow. What? It's for sure. Oh, come on. Oh dear. Yeah, and it doesn't. The monster. I don't think that's a really threatening monster, to be honest. It was just chilling on the leash, was it not? I don't think anyone can. Okay, Megumin? I don't think she'll be able to do it. Oh, that's gonna be brutal. There's no way she's. Nah, it's not happening. Okay. Ah. Shame. Nice. Not weakened at all. Cold-blooded fiend. Sure. No. Impossible. Yep. How did Megumin end up first ranked? Nah, this ain't happening. Why didn't you do it? Oh, Lord. Why is so strong? This is going too far. Isn't that the same sort of thing that was a statue outside of school and then faces? Can Arue even ever be surprised or something? Faces. Arue is just like, Oh my god. Look at Arue's face. Everyone's, like I said, everyone's panicking. Just look at Arue on the right hand side there. Her face still while she's running away. She's straight faced. She's just way too chilled. What? Petrified ornaments got loose. So yeah, so okay, so petrified ornaments, yeah, so the one in front of school was petrified. New hobby? There's the shopkeeper. Some of the people I recognize from the movie. And once again, I'm sorry, just once again, Arue's face. Everyone's panicking. And she's still running faster. Oh, hi, it's this dude. Don't know his name. Bukorori. His name's Bukorori. He also appeared in the movie, right? It's funny as well, right? All these crimson demons with their interests and stuff like that. And all they can use is advanced magic, but they're like normal people, like with shops and stuff like that. They're not even adventurers. Okay, though. Oh, hi. Whoa, hello. Stalker. No, dude, I think you got a problem. Okay. Just leave him there. Nope. Bye. Jesus. What was Arue's face like there? Okay, never mind. Arue actually showing some emotion. Stalker. Yeah, just plain creepy. From the fetal stage. Wow. Oh god, all of them are loose. Are those all gargoyles? Oh my gosh. Arue. And someone else saves him. Light of Saber. It's because of that stupid hobby. What was he gonna... What do you expect was going to happen eventually? Yeah, I think it's judgment. Yeah, never mind Curse of the Crimson Eyes. Judgment delivered on man in his arrogance. Yeah, I think that's more likely. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Check it out. You know what I mean? All with their advanced magic, but they have like normal jobs. They also had like a little say in the movie, didn't they? Because I remember the fisherman dude as well. Oh. Inferno. Wow. He's getting evaporated. He's just trying to impress them. What the hell? Devastate English, huh? Yeah, exactly. He's not moving a heart like Explosion Magic did. Damn. Yep, she's definitely made up her mind. Alright. Great. And it's most likely thanks to... They're just gonna destroy the town at this point. Holy shit! Nice. It feels like the children or the students are the only ones that have like some sort of like semblance of common sense left. Yeah, they're going crazy. What the hell is that spell? Bro! There's supposed to be people living there? What has it done? And whose fault is this? Damn. Oh my god, what the hell is wrong with these people? What do you mean it's trampled our peace? This was your fault. Because you went overkill. Most responsible, exactly. They'll just come up with a normal Chinibyo nonsense and say, oh, the Dark Lord, Dark God does that. God. Okay, sure, yeah. I think like Union's the only one then now it's standing there at the moment that's like, what the fuck's wrong with these people? And it's all fixed. Well, if it's that easy to fix it up, I guess. Sure. Parentals, yeah, well, right. What's going on with Megumi? They made the citizens do the repair work? Oh, they were calling Chamosuke Megumi. You did say that. My god. Holy shit, let's just flip the table. Oh, an ending? Oh, we didn't see an ending. It sounds like it's, yeah, done by Megumin's VA, Ria Takahashi. And Union. She's the one carrying Megumin back. That's smart. Why didn't Kazuma think of this? Get a wheelbarrow or something. That reminds me of the rock paper scissors battle they had in that one OVA. When Kazuma had the choker on the strip and rock paper scissors. That's a very chill song actually. Explosion. That was hilarious, man. I love it. Like if you remember of Soviet Union. Soviet Union. So this is Netorare. Netorare Janai. No, but dude, these people are crazy, man. We know they're crazy, but that's ridiculous. Like failing to admit that they're the ones that literally destroyed the village. Just coming up with some literal Chinibyo nonsense. Like, it's pretty much a given at this point. Like, most, if not all, of Crimson Demons are literally just Chinibyos. Like, we know it. Like, all the chants that's unnecessary and so forth, the intros. Megumin got away with it again with the teacher today, just like with the gym class last time. Not with the cat, my familiar fragment of my soul. As long as it sounds cool, you're good. We'll allow it. Look at Megumin being a good sister, stealing the bullied kid's lunch so his sister can have it every day. What a great role model. I said that, right? It's funny. I'm like, what? It makes her genuinely seem like a bully. Even though you can see she sort of likes the rivalry thing. She sort of wants to be friends and whatnot. To a degree, right? Not completely right now, but it sounds terrible, taking her lunch and stuff like that. But then, we know that she explained it in Konosuba as well, the situation they were in. You know, it was like life or death because, you know, they were poor and whatnot and not really eating well. So, for her herself, but like she literally took that and gave the entire thing to Komeko. I'm not saying it's great, but you know, it's literally, it's just comical, right? So, you don't have to look into it too much. Their faces when they go so Arue's, I love Arue's face. That might have just, for me, like, been the funniest part of the episode, actually. This was hilarious. Look at all their faces except Arue. Arue just seemed like, I don't know. She's always so composed. No, obviously she, with everything that she, yeah, look at that. Everything she says as well. She's also got that crimson demon side to her, but like, she's literally the most composed out of all of them. And it's actually funny because look at this, as they're running away, everyone with their faces. Even while she's running, she's just like, meh. Just like, straight faced. This is like all monsters that escape because of their little hobby. Petrifying them. Having them statues. Like over here, like, they're all literally sped up running. And Arue, like, wow, sped up running, just still got the straight face. I love it. Look at that. If Arue is showing emotion like this, then you must know. Yeah, look, even Arue's face. Then you know, like, if only you could do your life from the, redo your life from the fetal stage. Holy shit. We'll just flip the table. That was hilarious. The ending theme is pretty cool. The ending theme is very chill, and it sounds like it's Megumin and Yunyun's voice actors. That was hilarious. I loved it. So, oh yeah, the Netorare thing. Netorare is nice. Like, Megumin sort of wanted to deny Union there, right? Yeah, she was fully expecting her to do it. And she said, Edis, you almost like to just like do it on purpose. And then when Funifura and the Donko asked Union, then she got sort of all like, or she was about to say, well, Union, this time I'll do it with you, right? She's not very straightforward. And Arue could spot it immediately. Netorare. How cool. Netorare Janai! I love Arue as well. Anyway, that was episode 2. Before we go on too long, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.